Hop in the ship. Alright, Maktar Resort and the Maktar Nebula. This is a much more interesting map than the last one. Find a way to the Thugs for Less jamming array and win the arena battle. And there's 2 platinum bolts. How many were here? There's 2 platinum bolts here too, so we missed one. But there was also like the magnet thing, and we'll figure it out.
Yes, may I help you? I said.
Oh, ship is under attack. What secondary weapons? Straighten ship. Oh, there's a map at the bottom corner. There's a lot to take in. Oh, we're under attack from behind. Oh, it tells you in the bottom left how many enemies there are. Look like they're all like right on top of me. Got raritanium. Wasn't that rare in the last game? I remember there being a side quest for it, but am I getting them from defeating enemies? Is it random? Is it... Oh, goody. Give me some more ammo. I will say, this is not what I was expecting. At all. Don't get me wrong, coming from the later games, like, I know that there were... Oh, there's 20 of them now? Oh, Jesus. But yeah, coming from later games, I know that there were space battles in those games, but I didn't expect it to be in this one. I wonder what the raritanium is for in this game. Probably something of a currency, as it was in other games. Is there a way to get health?
Enemy fighters defeated. Proceeding to the Maktar Nebula.
Is it just going to do that automatically? Yes, it is. So I wonder if that's a scripted thing, or if that can just happen anytime you're traveling to and from planets. It's kind of cool if it is just something that can happen. Okay, good. I was about to say, I wondered if they were going to automatically have their gun, but there's still only the 4. So, what's it? That's just, yeah, that's nothing to me. Let us equip the gravity bomb. At least it's got enough of a shockwave that even if it doesn't lock on, and it does miss, I don't have to worry about it so much. I don't know which direction I need to go. Money, money, money. Oh, I can break these? Uh-oh. So that only gives me back 1 nanotech health at a time. I can even break those poles. Not that I'm necessarily trying to min-max for that, but I can. Sometimes just knowing what you can and can't do is worth it. Oh, so I needed the tractor beam to make it through this door. Oh, you look friendly? Oh! I can use the tractor beam on you. Interesting. So what is this thing now? Oh no, that's gonna explode. Ah. Like a self-imploding key. So I just gotta run with it, right? Oh, I thought that was supposed to go in the door. And it didn't snap onto it, so I was very concerned. Oh, well, that was death. Interesting. Well, we went that way and we made it pretty far. I didn't really see anything past that room. I just would have to be more vigilant about the, you know, using bomb thing. That's really what killed me, was that I was just using bombs and breaking up all the, yeah, explosive barrels like that. Come on. There we go. Oh, it didn't shoot anything else. That's fine. We can now take him out, I guess. 1, 2, 3. Nope. Oh, but it is costing money to play this. I mean, I won, so I guess I'll take it. It's not a jackpot or anything. It doesn't need to be special. That's chopper ammo. And another gravity bomb ammo. That gets me at 3 gravity bomb. That's really the only thing that I'm aiming for, is just to get some extra ammo so I can upgrade this. Oh, well, I'm actually at full health this time. Do I have to reopen this door? I don't. Which means I probably don't have to reopen the next door then, right? Or maybe because I've died right there at that door, I do. Okay. Well, I tried. Oh, he made it himself all the way through here. I didn't expect these things to ricochet. Oh wait, are they homing? I don't know, it feels like they kind of just homed in on that guy. I might just be... Ah, if they hit him, they home in. Okay, well, I guess since you're here... Oh, what? How far back can I pull him? I can pull him pretty far back. I wasn't expecting to need him again, but I'm glad he followed me even still. I still don't have enough ammo. I'm about to say, that one went right through him. I don't know how that even happened. Alright, so I need to blow that up. Put that bomb down there. I assume touching the bright lights is not going to be good for me. So where was Clank? It looked like he was at an apartment. It was just an interesting thought. Man, they have that one cut pretty close. I see what needs to happen. By no means is it going to be easy, though. Another gravity bomb. I figured they'd give me between gravity bomb and chopper since that's what I'm using. But I don't want to waste that gravity bomb ammo yet. Alright. So I'm guessing those little orbs are what is causing the force field to be up. So I'm gonna shoot the bomb at them. Tractor beam. Ooh, almost. A little further back. A little closer, maybe? Maybe if I stand at this dot right here. A little further back than that. So. Interesting. What about right here? Second dot. Went over, though. So, let's stop between the first and the second dot. Okay, that one worked. Just go to the second dot now. Is there another one on that side? No. Oh, I don't know why I didn't press the button to let it go. It just kind of did. Looks about right. Look at me go. Looks like a limousine. Well, it opened up the shortcut back to center. So I think it would be my best interest to go and grab the... What's it called? I was gonna say upgrade, but that's not it. Ammo. Yep, that's the words. I know words. Alright, let's buy the ammo for you. Man, it's so much cheaper than the bomb. Alright. Go back to the limousine, which will probably take us where we were supposed to go. Do I need the health now? No. Apparently I do not, because I am great. Oh, that's weird. Like it changed directions. Sabotage the Thugs for Less jamming array. Why do you just have a... I question it.
To disable the jamming array, destroy the 6 transponders.
And we're gonna talk about how to do that, or is this just a spin for yourself kind of thing? Oh, that was... Is this not a transponder? Do I have to do
Expose
this?
transmitters with the bolt crank. Press square to attach your wrench, then walk around the platform.
Oh.
For a map,
Oh.
press select or R3.
Oh. So this is interesting. So because we're on a small round planet with its own little gravity, it'll just show us where everything is at. That's kind of cool. Alright, so I guess now we just follow around these things. Just get as many as we can, and then drop one bomb. It's fine if I take a single hit while doing this. Yeah, I learned my lesson from the first one. Although it didn't look like that explosion on the first one actually hurt me. What's this? Oh. Well, that didn't attach. I like how even the bolts in this game look different. Not that I'm especially complaining, I just think that it's interesting. But how many differences can you make between one game and the next?
For a massive jump, stand on the blast pad and press X.
Oh. Why didn't you tell me when I passed by one of these earlier? Oh, I was still moving when that happened. Yeah, I'm still the one in control when I jump. I'd say it's not worth the struggle. Alright. Is there a reason to go to the one on the left and right? I see enemies on the one on the right, but... Come on. Thank you. I was gonna say, I probably can't make it all the way over to that one. Which is fine, I don't really think I need to either. There we go. Anything over here? Doesn't look like it. Alright, so where's the next one? So that's where I started. Unless they just... No, I definitely not. I was gonna say, you want me to go from one to the next? Let's see. Well, if I go this way, I can get to the next one that way. It's not gonna hurt me if I fall, right? Whew. My heart dropped a little bit. You ever get that feeling when you're playing a game and you take a massive fall and it just feels like you should have been hurt? And kaboom! A little bit about half. Oh, well, that happened. Well, I don't want to die and then have to redo it all. So I guess I will pay more attention. There's only one left, so where is it at? Let's see if that's where we started. Is there something on that? I don't know if I can make that jump, but I can try. Oh, it's just a jump pad anyways. So where do we go from here? Looking for one more. Oh, right here. So how do we get up there? Oh, I see it right there. There's another jump pad, it looks like. That shouldn't be... Yeah, I was gonna say, that should be pretty close. Oh, that's not a jump pad. That is, though. Alright, now Telio. Oh! That was weird. Oh well, that was death. I was worried about that. Well, nope, didn't give me all my ammo back at least. Gotta restart this. Just go ahead and make the move over here. It was over here, right? Yeah. I was about to get there. Oh, whoa, whoa, wow. I do like how, even though... Alright, I really don't like this weapon. I'm not just saying that because I suck, but because it's weird how it works. I don't think this weapon is good for this area. We'll have to go back to something else for the moment. But yeah, I do like how even the bullets still curve. But yeah, I don't know what it is about that weapon. It's just not... Alright, so there's that one. The next one is over to my left. So let's just go get that now. Oh! Okay, good to know. Let's try and get another... Oh, hey. You know what? I'm already here, so... Well... There we go. Yeah, this weapon is a strange weapon for sure. Nope. Because it's not like it doesn't lock on. I think it just works better in enclosed areas. Because it seems like the big thing about it is the ricochet aspect. I'm pretty much out of ammo for it anyways. We'll just use this heavy lancer and... Oh, I'll take that. Didn't realize there was health on here. Alright, there's one right in front of me that I can get to. Man, upgraded guns really do a lot. I do believe there are, maybe not, but maybe. I want to say that there are upgraded, like, golden guns in this one as well. Yeah, try to get that gravity bomb upgraded. It's probably going to be one of my favorite, like, AoEs. Alright, I know that there's one in the... Oh, you know what? There's a giant, bright, shining light that shows you where they are. If I had even slightly paid attention to that, I would have seen it before. And then, whop. And then I can just go this way, because I know the next one is in the middle of that, yep, crater. If they have any other ammo or weapons, so let's just make sure it's done. Don't want to lose at the last second again. Mission complete.
Good work, my boy. You are proving to be invaluable in this underwear. Anywho, it appears the thief is now under the protection of thugs for less. But I may have found a way for you to insinuate their operation.
Is it dangerous?
No. Actually, yes, it is.
Good.
Take a look at this.
The wind in your hair, the sun on your skin, the bugs in your teeth. We are the Desert Riders.
Before I became a desert rider, I didn't fit in anywheres. I had low self-esteem, bad breath, and a thing for ladies' undergarments. But these guys understand me. They really do.
Yeah, I'm just here for the bake sales. Oh yeah, I also make these cute gloves for all the guys.
So if you've got what it takes, use this temporary membership to enter the most grueling hoverbike race in the galaxy. Win it and become one of us. Desert Riders, the #1 leisure choice of thugs for less.
Desert riders all use Megacorp bikes, so I just had to pull a few strings. Contract me as soon as you get more indignation. Fizz Widget, out.
I cannot make a coherent sentence. I am curious as to how I wouldn't say quick the word, how long the game is, how long this game is. Oh. What is happening and how I just feel like I'm upgrading the weapons quickly and oh. Well, I will be with you in just a moment. I just want more ammo. Really? That didn't take him out? There we go. Oh, there's one little guy left. Right. Continue to slowly walk this lonely road. He not dead yet? I don't think he was dead until I shot that other bomb. Which is just kind of irritating, but I mean, he's dead now. Oop! I somehow didn't get hit by that. So this is probably going to lead me inside the arena then. I have got to stop that. Bolts are just laying about everywhere. Oh, a little bit of lag there. Ooh, boy, I thought I died. He just dropped and I was like, ugh. Come on. I guess I could do the whole, that is still an option. It's not like I do that in this game, or in these games often. No? It's gotta be the other way? I guess follow the red lights, and they all lead that way. Although, that camera snap. What snap? That's what it feels like. Can I go around this corner? No. Oh. Do I have to take out the guy above it? Uh-oh. I think I can take that out, in fact. Ooh. Yep, and there it is. I would like to get one. Oh, it's not gonna happen. If I can get one more bomb, looks like I. Oh, that was death. What? Okay. Well, you know what? That's fine. That's fine because I'm just gonna go take the gravity bomb. I'm gonna throw it. And it will not, in fact, level up. And then I'll cry. There it goes. To the mini nuke. Oh my god. Yeah, that looked like a nuke to me. Now we need to get the chopper that we have and upgrade it, but I really, well, we'll do the chopper for the moment. Let's get to the chopper. It's always one of my favorite parts about these games, though, is getting the weapons and upgrading them. So now I have a mini nuke.
You will automatically grab your...
We figured that out. You told us way too late. Wonder how long I can use this. You know what? Probably not very long. Because it looks like it just keeps spawning at regular intervals. Doesn't look like this thing's gonna take any chances and stop. But say I can only take in one more hit, so just really play it careful. I like mini nukes. That is such a funny thing.
By jumping toward a wall and pressing X again as you hit it.
They kept most of the, I couldn't find a way up to that bolt. Maybe I'll come back with Clank. It's probably easiest if I have the heli pack like I did in the last game.
Weapons more accurately, press and hold L.
Alright, there's one piece of health right there. So I'll get that. Would really like to hit a checkpoint. My bad, a continue point. Uh-oh. I don't know if that's hitting him or not. Oop. Oop. Hold on. I don't think it's a good idea to try and just focus on these guys. Oh, they do have a limit. That's interesting. I didn't realize there was going to be a limit to how many enemies they would spawn. Buy some ammo. Let's just max out on chopper ammo. I'm almost there to the blitz gun. Back up. Notice how it didn't say continue point, which means I could still die going forward. Oh.
Is everyone ready for tonight's Mega Battle? Introducing from nowhere in particular, this guy. If he can make it past all of our gladiators, he'll take home this brand new electrolyzer. If he can't make it past our gladiators, he'll receive a consolation prize. Let the games begin.
But this was also something they started doing in Ratchet and Clank. I didn't realize it started with this one until I saw the advertisements, I guess. But they do start putting in these little arena battles with different and various things to do to win. Personally, I used to love doing this kind of stuff.
The furry guy is on a rampage.
Except for when it had something to do with... Ooh. You know, there's bolts everywhere. I don't know if this stuff despawns or not, but I'd rather not take that chance. Doesn't seem like they despawn. But yeah, I enjoyed doing the arena stuff in most of this. And it is a good way to upgrade your weapons. Am I? Because it looked like I healed it pretty instantly.
I don't care what galaxy you're from. Let's go. Ooh, that'll leave a mark.
Let's just go ahead and grab the health. Shoot that guy.
Ladies and gentlemen, the first and, well, only winner of the Gladiator Games, this guy. You're now eligible for our championship series. Come back and fight again for big cash prizes. Congratulations on winning the electrolyzer.
Or continue to fight,
Choose a
earning
battle
bolts.
and win the prize.
Battle for the electrolyzer. Yeah, kill 30 enemies in 30 seconds. That's kind of the thing. So let's do the hazard challenge. We'll just do all of the challenges as they become available. Oh, interesting. So I keep the amount of ammo that I had. That's fine, because I should get more of it just by walking through this. It's not like there's a whole lot of other weapons that I've been using. Just wanted to upgrade the chopper. Now, if I had to guess, which I don't really need to. Oh my.
It's like watching a train wreck. Wow.
But I would say there's probably a achievement for getting all of the arena stuff done.
I don't care what galaxy you're from. That's gotta hurt. Oh, he'll be feeling.
Come on. But to say, these little buggers are annoying.
I've got my money on the Lombax with Spook.
I think this is the first time that they mention the fact that I'm a Lombax. Not like it's a big deal or anything in this game. But it is a big deal, but it's not end all be all.
This guy's on a rampage.
Oh, that was out of the chopper ammo. I don't even see a
I can't believe what I'm seeing.
there we go. Oh, is that it?
You are the winner.
So you do still get money after you finish it the first time, but it doesn't look like you get as many. As long as you get a victory, though, I think that's fine. So Chainblade, wasn't that a fight?
Everyone's favorite gladiator. He slices, he dices, and carves up a mean dish. Please welcome Chainblade.
Sorry, I don't plan on
I've got my money
messing
on the
around.
Lombax with Spook.
I will just go ahead and take this guy out.
The furry guy is on a rampage.
Whoa.
Chainblade's really got his hands full with this one. I can't believe what I'm seeing.
Yep.
I
That's
can't
me,
believe
folks.
it. Chainblade has been
Oh.
defeated.
Upgrade my nanotech, too.
You are the winner.
All right. Got 4,000 bolts for it.
Choose a battle and win the prize.
Oh, look at that. It unlocked more stuff. I wonder how many there are. Well, these were the first ones here, so let's just do these. I also think that we got 30 seconds to take out 30 enemies. I don't know if using this is the best idea. Let's just...
Where did this guy come from?
Yeah, let's see if this is going to be enough. There we go.
And the
That wasn't
prize
too
goes
bad.
to you.
Just doubles it and gives it to the next person.
From the
Let's battle the
Connoisseur
beat the
Telecom-
brawler.
It's a colossal creation.
Got 6 mini nukes.
For the big and the brainy. Let's give it up for the B2 Brawler. Where did this guy come from?
Uh-oh. Oops.
I can't believe what I'm seeing. The Brawler's got all he can handle.
I'm just trying to not get hit by these sweeping motions.
I don't care what galaxy you're from. That's gotta hurt.
But say, I'd appreciate it if you shot the man. Oh.
Choose a
It didn't
battle
count
and
as a win. That's a shame.
From the
Do it again.
planet Cerebella comes a colossal creation. Stand back for the big and the brainy. Let's give it up for the B2 Brawler.
Come on.
This guy's on a rampage. The Brawler's got all he can handle. Oh, that'll leave a mark.
And then we'll just finish it off with the Heavy Lancer.
The B2 Brawler is down and out.
Yeah, that was just an irritation. It wasn't even hard. It's just that spinning attack.
Winner!
Alright. Well, I spent all the money on it, so let's at least give myself some back. 60 enemies in 60 seconds. Mega challenge. So let's just use the Heavy Lancer for the moment. Looks like they were going to start off with... Oh. Well, it doesn't matter what it looked like, because I was going to think they started off with small orbs. But they definitely went from the orb to something else real quick. Got the mini nuke ammo. More mini nuke ammo. We'll switch over to the mini nuke as soon as I was out of ammo. Wow. 960. There we go.
You are the winner.
That's a free 2,000 volts. So they got a couple more. I didn't expect there to be this many. But what's the mega challenge? We'll just, you know, not hold back anymore. I mean, we can always come back later. And we might just do that. Come back with later, different weapons.
I've got my money in the Lombax with Spunk.
Yeah, there's in matches.
I don't care what galaxy you're from.
I think we can handle this, but I think we can handle all of it if I'm being honest.
That'll leave a mark.
But coming back later would definitely make me more well prepared for it. That's a mini nuke. Another Heavy Lancer. There's some chopper ammo. And it's entirely possible that some of these challenges won't be available until I get different weapons. I wonder if I start that one about the chopper, or not the chopper, the mini nuke, the Heavy Lancer, if I start it, if it's just gonna fill up my ammo. Yeah, the mini nuke makes this almost a joke. They don't seem to be too keen on giving me any health either. Well, that gave me some more chopper ammo.
Returning to battle is everyone's favorite gladiator.
Oh.
He slices, he dices, and carves up a mean dish.
That's how we're gonna use this, huh?
Chain blade.
I gotta be honest, I don't know if I can take this guy with the help that I have. I mean, I did a pretty cheap victory the first time. I have one mini nuke. Well, let's just see if we can get some more ammo for my weapons. That's a chopper. Oh, he got me.
This guy.
More chopper. It's like that's what I got. Yeah, at this point, it's all because I don't have the proper weaponry.
Really got his hands full with this one.
I can't even lock onto him when he's up there. Oh, that was it. Oh, well.
Choose a battle.
That's fine. Let's go ahead and leave for now. The electrolyzer already? What? Oh. Oh. I understand. So we have to focus on what's happening. And keep the things from popping. This go. That's the first one. That's the second one. Here's the third one. Fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. And then there's only one. Ah, okay. It's kind of cool. Oh, other one.
Hey, this would make a nice souvenir for Clank. Yeah! Hey!
You have no idea what you're involved in. Return to your old galaxy immediately, or this will happen to you. Or this will happen to you. Farewell.
Oh.
Alright, let's use the electrolyzer. Yeah, I definitely think... Okay, Jesus. There's 1, 2... Oh. Yeah, buddy. Alright, so try again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6... Oh, I hit the button, it just didn't turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you're not gonna destroy all of them. You just need to destroy all the. Oh. Anyways, you're not trying to destroy all of them. Just destroy all of the ones with the things in the thing. Yep.
If you want to earn lots of bolts, visit the arena later for more battles.
Yep, that's the plan. But for now, we have other stuff to take care of. I guess we'll go in... Buy this. Yes, I have a ton of bolts. Money. We'll go for the racing stuff next?